How to zoom in or zoom out while taking a picture with the camera on the iPhone 16 series. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the camera app. Then tap on the photo mode. Now to zoom in or zoom out, simply pinch in or pinch out like this. So pinch out to zoom in on a subject, and then we can pinch in to zoom out. Now you can also use the camera button on the side here. So light press, and from the control you can zoom in or zoom out, or you can use this control over here to zoom in or zoom out. If you double light press, you can change the zoom mode. So you can change the control mode to zoom and then light press, and from here you can zoom in or zoom out. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.